Hello students, today we will discuss about chapter solution in 12th class and what is the importance of solution chapter in board exam that I have written. It is of 7 marks chapter, and in our daily life what is important of this also we will discuss. So first of all, what is solution? Solution itself is made up of two things, that is solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. What is solute? Solute is the amount which is less in the solution. For example, suppose you have sugar and water. Sugar, water solution. So in this, the amount of sugar is less than water molecules. Then sugar is called what? Solute, and water is called solvent. So solute is what? Always it will be less in amount, and this will be always in more amount. Now, this type of solution is also called binary solutions. What is called this? Binary. What is meaning of binary solutions? Bi means two components. So two components containing solution only we are going to discuss in this chapter, solution chapter. And this binary solutions also physically it can be classified into three categories, that is called SS, SL and SG. For solid solution, three categories. Now we will discuss about this physical state solution. SS solution means in this all three categories there are solvent. Solvent is solid. Solid solvent. Then we will discuss about liquid solvents containing solutions like L, S, L, G and LL. In this all three cases, liquid is the solvent. The solvent will be liquid. Similarly, there will be gaseous solution like SG, LG and GG. Three solutions. In this also there will be solvent, gaseous. Now let us start that examples of solid solutions. For example, suppose solid in solid solution is there, then all alloys comes under these categories. All alloys comes under the solid solution. For example, copper plus zinc, copper plus tin, and copper plus zinc plus nickel. These three solutions are there. It is very important examples of alloys. This is called what? Brass. This is called bronze. And this is called German silver. These are all examples of solid and solid solutions. Now comes under the liquid in solid solutions. Liquid in solid. For example, any solid if it is there, in that if liquid droplets are present, that is called liquid solid solution. In that the physical state will be solid, and inside the solid there will be liquid particles. For example, ice, in that it is solid form and the particles of liquid are present in that solid. It is called solid liquid. Okay. Similarly, gas in liquid, gas in solid. So gas in solid, what is there? Suppose you have platinum solid, platinum, and in that H2 gas is filled. So H2 gas filled into platinum, it is called gas in solid solutions. Okay. Now with this concentration of solutions, in that we will see how to use the solution, how to get the solution in market. For example, if you want to purchase a solution of sodium hydroxide in the market, then what we will say about the concentration. So for expressing the concentration, we are going to see first is that mass by mass concentration. Mass by mass also can be used W by W or weight by weight concentration. For example, the mass of solute we can write mass of solute. Solute is what? Here solid is NaOH. So we can write mass of sodium hydroxide divided by mass of solution in water. In water, it is called mass by mass concentration. In that mass of solution will be what? Suppose we have 5 gram NaOH dissolved in 95 gram of water. So mass of solution will be what? 95 plus 5, 100 gram is the mass of solution. So we can write here 100 gram solution, the mass of solution, and 5 gram mass of solid. So 5 by 100 into 100 we can write this is the mass by mass percentage of the solutions. Yes, we'll see the example of mass by mass solution, mass by mass concentration solution. So we can take example of 10% glucose in water. क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि what is meaning of 10% glucose in water? So for this the percentage 10% means what? 10 gram of glucose present in 100 gram of solution. So what is the amount of water in this? The amount of water will be what? The amount of water will be 100 minus 10 means 90 gram water is present in the 10% glucose solution. Similarly, if you take example of mass by mass solution, that is 5% sugar solution, sugar in water solution. Question comes in one box that what is meaning of 5% sugar in water solution? What is the amount of solid, what is the amount of solvent? So again we can see 5 gram is sugar in this and 95 gram water is present in this. Total weight of solution is 100 gram. So I think it is very clear to you if it is coming 5% sugar solution or 10% glucose solution. In all the question comes like this: what is the amount of solid, what is the amount of solvent? Okay. Now we'll see next day about volume by volume solution. Hello. अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा है आपको सॉल्यूशन के बारे में, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन and what is solution, types of solutions. If any doubt comes, you can ask in the comment section and I'll try to answer you in the next meeting. Thank you.